Are you spending weeks creating a simple anime video? Then look at this one. I created this video in only a few minutes using AI. In this video, I am going to share how you can create this kind of amazing anime within a few minutes using one of the best AI animation generators called Animon AI. So, without further ado, let's jump into the process. Animon AI is basically an AI image and image-to-video generator specializing in different anime-style videos. Recently, it introduced the studio version, which makes it the best anime maker in the market. So, let's explore the most professional AI animation generator together. First of all, head to Animon AI. You'll find the link in the description below. After heading to the site, click here and sign up for your account. Here, you'll be welcomed by a clean and user-friendly interface. You can explore the previously generated anime, or even regenerate it for your projects. Okay, now I'm going to create my own masterpiece. First up, we have to create the images, so select the image generation tool from here. Here you will find three options: text-to-image, image-to-image, and image editing. I will start from scratch, so I am selecting the text-to-image model. This is where your ideas start to take shape. Let's create a character from scratch. I'll type a prompt. A fierce, blue-haired anime warrior girl standing under cherry blossoms at sunset. Okay, if you look at the corner in this box, you can see the prompt enhancer feature. I'm turning this on. Now, I'm choosing the model AniFrame Pro 1.0 for better quality. The AniFrame F.1s is for faster generation, but it compromises the quality and generates 1K images, while the AniFrame Pro 1.0 generates 2K images with better quality. However, the AniFrame Pro 1.0 is only available in studio mode. Then select your image ratio. After that, you'll find styles like anime, 3D anime, pixel, flat style, comic, art toy, or even poster and kids drawing. I'm choosing the style anime for my project. Now set the quantity. After everything is set, simply hit generate and let the AI do its magic. Wow, look at that. In seconds, Animon Studio generates this stunning 2K high-definition image with incredible detail. Check out the cherry blossoms and her dynamic expression. Now let's refine this image with Animon's image-to-image tools. This is one of my favorite features because it gives you precise control. Want to change the background? First, just upload a reference image, and then I'm describing the prompt to change the background to a futuristic city. Then, select the image ratio and set the quantity. Now simply hit Generate. In a moment, Animon seamlessly blends it in. Let's make one more but with the character. Upload a reference image and then describe the character. After that, hit Generate again. And see, it generates perfectly as I described. Next, let's tweak her pose to make her look more dynamic using Animon's image editing feature. Simply upload an image and describe what you actually want to tweak. Then, as previously, set the quantity and hit Generate. Look at how Animon preserves the character's essence while transforming the vibe. Let's tweak another one. Image uploading done, prompt describing done, and finally, Generate. And it generates perfectly. Now let's bring our character to life with Animon's image-to-video feature. First, upload the image or select from your assets. Once the image is selected, describe a detailed prompt. Then, select the model. The AniCut 1.0 can generate a 5-second 16 FPS video in 480p resolution, while AniCut Pro supports HD video creation and the in-betweens feature. That means you can generate videos using the first frame and the last frame. I am selecting AniCut Pro. Next, choose video resolution and finally the quantity. After everything is set, hit Generate. Check this out. Animon turns our image into a fluid video. It looks like an anime clip created by a big production team. The movement is very subtle. The overall anime quality is outstanding. I tried several first-tier AI video generators, and honestly speaking, Animon is more professional in handling anime details than most professional anime series creation platforms with the best anime effects. Okay, now let's try this in-betweens feature. Simply upload your image here for the first frame and upload an image here for the last frame. Now, describe your prompt here. Then, set the video duration and video resolution from here. And just hit Generate. In a few moments, our video is ready. That's epic. The animation is silky smooth. Animon's keyframe control lets you craft exactly the scene you want, unlike generic tools that spit out rigid animations. Why is Animon the most professional anime series creation platform? I was thinking about that and tried some different AI tools with the same prompt. And I got these. Animon's creation looks more accurate compared to other platforms, especially first-tier brands. And that's the full Animon Studio experience, turning your ideas into professional anime series with ease. Animon Studio empowers you to make your own anime series like a pro. Check out their premium plans to unlock every feature and get high-quality output. No other platform matches Animon's anime expertise and professional polish. And the good news? You can access this amazing AI anime maker for only 99 cents. Yes, Animon offers the studio plan only for 99 cents. So if you want to create your own anime series, don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. Try it out today and start bringing your anime dreams to life. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more anime creation tips. Let's keep the anime passion alive. See you in the next video.